Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by collecting what matters, cash flows and the time horizon, then pick your calculation model. Use CAPM when pricing equity, WACC for firm-level RRL, or dividend models for payouts. Once done, fetch the current risk-free rate, typically a government bond yield, estimate beta from comparable firms, and use a market risk premium. Make sure to record units and dates. Inconsistent inputs produce wrong results. Now you're ready to compute the first components. Now compute each piece carefully so the RRL holds up. For CAPM, multiply beta by the market premium. If you use regression, ensure enough observations. For WACC, find pre-tax cost of debt from recent bond yields, then apply the tax rate to get the after-tax cost. Adjust premiums for country risk or small cap factors when necessary. Once done, weight costs by market value capital structure and verify calculations with rounded examples to catch errors early. Complete the RRL by aggregating weighted costs, present it as an annual percentage. Once done, run sensitivity tests by varying inputs like beta or premiums to see outcome ranges. If your result seems off, make sure you used market value weights, not book values, and confirm the tax rate and debt yields. One key troubleshooting tip: if outputs swing wildly, re-examine beta source and time period. That's the most common root cause of instability in RR.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.